Hi, my name is Alina, and this is my presentation for Ubisoft Next. It's a game inspired by Angry Birds. So, as you can see, I can control yellow box, and it shows a trajectory where it will fly. If you will want to check it yourself, you can drag the player on right click of the mouse. Also, as you notice, it only collides and destroys objects on a certain velocity when it's enough force to destroy them. See? Also, the number reduced when we destroyed the red boxes. So the main goal is to destroy all the red enemies. Also, it performs, my engine performs rotating collision and physics. Okay, let's choose this one. Okay. Also, I can't move like the player when it's not still. So it needs to reset itself when it's not moving. Okay. Let's see. Yep. Good. Set it. Okay, let's try doing this one. Okay, that's enough, I think. So this is the scene with sphere box collision. As you can see, it also detects collision on rotating objects. Also, as you can see, it's a bit laggy. That's why I didn't use it in the actual game, but it still works kind of. To check those things, I use keyboard. Numbers represent things. So one is this one, second one is this one, and third is this one. So here I spawn random objects in the boxes and see the collision. Yep. And these green crosses represent collision points. So let's see what I have in engine. So for easier development, I created a game object manager, also rigid body manager, and render manager. In scenes, I create objects. Let's see, is this one? Yeah. And I add them, I register them in game object manager. And this game object manager initialize all these objects like it's initializing some components like rigid body and colliders here, and it's responsible for every registered object rendering, update, and yeah. Also, you can unregister it anytime. Okay, so this is my collision manager. It detects collision, performs physics that somehow is related to collision, and invokes some events on collision. Also, this is my render manager that performs all the models and renders all of them. I think that's it for today. Thank you for watching.